California, Arizona, and reporting from West LA. I'm following up my audit of this construction site here. This is on Patricia Avenue, across from the Rancho Park Golf Course. As you can see, this site is violating many safety rules. Right off the bat, we can see there's no secure fence here. There's no lock on it. This is not acceptable, just having a white wire here. A kid or a special needs person could just go through here. They could fall into this pit here. It's very dangerous. And then, of course, when I checked, there weren't any U.S., African American, or white employees here, like most of these sites. Violate U.S. Title, Civil Rights Act, 1964 Civil Rights Act, not discriminate in hiring. And this guy's name, Nabil Zaidan, JAMA Universal, phone number 818-836-7624, address 2565 South Patricia Avenue. So he does have the permit on the fence. I don't do fake news where they do the right thing, I'll note that. But this is not nowhere nearly up to standards here. Like I said, I'm fine. Illegal aliens is against the law. Doesn't matter if they have a permit up here. Never heard of JAMA Universal. So you can see this fence is also sinking into the sidewalk. It's obstructing people walking on the sidewalk. It's not safe. They should also fix these sidewalks from the earthquake damage. That should be done free. Should be able to rip off taxpayers building all these luxury houses. Like I said, 99.9% of Americans can't afford these houses. These go for at least $2 million. And they use illegal workers, making a nice tidy, skimming some nice profit there, breaking all the laws. Of course, as you can see, they do have some barrier to protect the illegal alien workers, unlike our border. And of course, they don't have to take the lethal COVID shots. They did provide toilet facilities for the illegal workers, so I'll give them that. Should be locked though, because it might not be safe for a crazy person to get stuck in there. But I'm not a construction expert, but this doesn't look like properly constructed site. The scaffolding here is in really bad shape. It looks really rusty. Like it's ready to fall apart. It does not look like it's proper equipment here. I'll probably follow up again on this. Remember to subscribe and share.